Hey guys, it's Cody, Lonestardiggin, back here on a little job today. So this gentleman that lives here works for, I believe, a chip company, and he has his Frito-Lay truck. This is kind of like the alley back here, and he pulls in here and uses this for a parking spot. But as you can tell, it's nothing but dust and dirt, and when it does get muddy and rainy and wet and everything, he can't park back here. So I got him three 12-yard loads of base here. So I'm gonna come in here kind of where he stops parking. I'm gonna kind of cut this down a little bit and build it up, go out that way, just the width of a truck. So nothing really big, nothing fancy this morning, just spreading 3 loads of gravel. So y'all stay tuned and I'll get y'all set up. Kind of stripping some of this little grass and topsoil out. Can't go too deep. I didn't get a line located. I'm sure there's utilities everywhere. Always utilities to worry about. I want to take my teeth off my bucket, but times like this, digging and got a little hard ground, it's when I want my teeth. Really need 2 buckets. A smooth face bucket and then a tooth bucket. Hard to do jobs up against houses and stuff with a tooth bucket. much more than that. Just because I don't know where I know there's gas and utilities here, but don't want to take any chances. High over on the left side anyways, so it's alright if I, when I build this up. Y'all may not can see my cutting edge cutting. Heck, I can't even see it. I'm just going by feel, really. They make low profile buckets, for that. This is kind of a bigger material, but bigger capacity bucket. Can't hardly see over it. Need a low profile type bucket to really see, or I need to be taller. That would work. That's got down pretty hard bottom. I'm not going to chance any more digging down, just because that all the utilities over here. I'm 90% sure that gas line right here, that gas line will be in line with this gas line down here, and then every gas line will tee off to the houses. But you never know. For sure. I know y'all may have trouble seeing it in all the dust and sun, because it is dusty and sunny. Just trying to build that side up a little bit, kind of keep the water from going that way maybe.
recorded all this on a mic, but it didn't take. Just trying to explain what I was doing here. I got all the gravel put in the driveway, and so now I'm just trying to drift this material, spread it out going forward, trying to keep it in the edges. I don't want to go, past my lines, past the edge of the driveway. So I'm just taking a little bit at each time. On the outsides, when I'm pushing, if I start going out of my lines, you can always bring your skid loader inward to stop that gravel from spreading outward. And then you just back up and repeat that until the gravel starts building up again. I'm working on the middle here, just trying to drift the material down to the end where I need some down there. So I'll just put a little music in here. It's easier to explain when doing it, not on the actual machine. But I'm just working this material in, going forward where I need it, backwards. Down here at the alleyway, I'll kind of spread it to the left here. That way when he turns in and out, he won't be driving off that, kind of like a apron or approach. So I'll finish spreading this up and track it in. Well, I guess y'all died. I don't know what point y'all died, but put a new battery in. I don't know if y'all overheated or got hot or what. What point y'all died, but I'm kind of doing the final touches, cleaning it up.
Alright guys, finished up on this one. Got 3 loads base spread for this guy to be able to park his box truck back here. Like I said, I wouldn't have put it this thick for just a car or pickup, but since it's being a box truck, I went ahead and put it the full 6 inches probably. Cut some down, didn't want to go too deep. Y'all can look at this. I just seen this a while ago when I was loading up. I don't know if it's just pipe in the ground, but I mean, it's solid. I don't know if that's an old gas line or what. You never know. Never can tell, never know what's all under the ground. Can't take chances, you know, when you don't know. Because I've been there and done that. Hit them all. I'm sure we all have. But I appreciate y'all coming along and watching. Maybe somebody learned something. Leave in the comments what you think. Just a little bonus FYI. I got a new piece of equipment coming, so y'all put in the comments what y'all think it is. It definitely ain't a new piece of equipment, let's put it that way. But this is Friday, should be here Saturday. So y'all tell me what y'all think it's gonna be. Appreciate y'all watching. I'll put out a little short clip of the new edition, probably Saturday or Sunday. Appreciate y'all watching, guys. God bless. We'll see y'all on the next one.